So guys, this is Jerry again of Jerry DIY TV. This is my hybrid inverter, Easun power. This is my setup. I put two 32 ampere AC circuit breaker. Look, this one is for the input, and this is one is for the output. Next time I put another one here for the second output. I'm just using my this main output for my loads. So now currently just using 20 20 watts because I'm using my TV upstairs, and this is my battery, and this is the circuit breaker, 150 ampere DC circuit breaker. So this is my simple setup. I just put it in the small board. I don't know where to put it. I put it here, maybe there in the because my circuit breaker is here, and there's a lot of things here. Look, this is the circuit breaker. So maybe I can remove all these things to put that inverter. So I just put it in the under the chair, under the stairs, because I have no place to put. Look, it's 31 watts now. The battery is 26.3 volt. And look, so I put this. This is the main output. No, this is the input for the grid, from the grid, and this is the output. It's white, going upstairs to my TV and my computer. No solar panel, still no solar panel. I'm just using it every day to make sure that it's a very good quality, and buy another one again if it's good. It's a good quality, I buy another one, maybe 2000 watts for 12 volt battery. This is 4.2 kilowatt and 24 volt battery. So let's check in my tablet the settings of this inverter. Look, and that blinking is the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth connected to my tablet here. So let's check my tablet the settings of that. So we log in. Proximal monitoring. I never used this inverter for 1 week. That's why I want to make sure that the settings is not changed. Voila. You see here, the battery voltage is 26 volt, 26.3. Battery capacity is still 100%. But battery discharge current only 2 ampere. in our load here with the house logo here in right left and right right side. It's 49 kilowatt. Voila. So let's check the load status. 29.9 volt AC. Load percentage 2%. Output frequency 49.9 Hertz. Output apparent power 92 volt ampere. Output active power 47 kilowatt. So let's check my settings if it's not changes. Voila. Charging priority settings. Yes, it's still in CSO. Then total current setting, max charge total current. I set it on the 50 ampere. Let's see. Yes, still no changes. This one, come back utility mode voltage SBU priority. I set it at 23. We can check it. If it's still 23. Yes, it's 23 volt. Next important one, back charging. I think I set it at 28 point something. Yes, 28.2. Yes. Low battery cut off. No, floating charging voltage. I set it at 27. We check it, is 27. Oh, still. Yes, 27 volt. And this one, low battery cut off. Low battery cut off voltage. What is that? Yes, 20 volt. Let's set it into 20 volt. Battery equalization. No, it's not important. So that's my settings. Output source priority. USB. Yes, SBU. No, SBU. This is the priority is the battery. If the battery is discharged, it's not enough power, the utility will give the power for our output. And then if the battery charged in the settings that I put here at 27 volt, then the power back to the battery. The battery will provide the loads for the inverter and for the load and for the output. Yes, here is it. This is all important settings. Wala. Yes. So this is my settings. So next time I put the secondary output here and our solar panel. It's difficult here in my place near Paris because you need a permission to put a solar power in your roof. That's why it's very difficult to buy. So we need to get we need to take a permit for here in the municipality. And this our place is near the hospital, and there's a lot of helicopter flying over here because of the emergencies. They using helicopter, and they said I asked to the municipality office, and they said that is need permission to put a solar panel here because it's reflect in the sky. It's very difficult. That's why I don't know if I have a permit or not, but it's still testing. Actually, it's for the Philippines. That's why I bought it here. It's very cheap here than the Philippines. Even you send it by the cargo for the shipment for the cargo. It's still very expensive in the Philippines. Like this one, Easun Power. So thank you very much, and subscribe to my channel, Jerry DIY TV. Merci beaucoup, au revoir.